Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Discord. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Discord and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Discord. If you will find updates, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.